Hi. I'm Karl Max, people call me Max. I've lost my parents when I was 7 years old. I lost everything for the debts made by my father. This forest is my only home. I've got a friend here. I call him Hope. He's the only thing I got in my life. Uncle. Take this box. Don't depend on me. I don't understand, why are you maintaining this hotel bar in this forest? But you're so lucky, Uncle. Even, in this drought land, you're getting customers.
Welcome, sir.
Max.
What do you want?
We're of same blood.
Here, sir.
How could I leave you? By the way, do you love Lisa?
It will be a lot for us.
Even she has no one. Why don't you marry her? She's spending her whole life in this coffee bar. What do you say, Max? Uncle. You know very well about my current situation. Don't ask me again on this. Take care. I'm leaving.
Mr. Uncle. What did he say you?
As usual. He didn't say anything, Lisa.
Ha. That's okay. I know he loves me, Uncle.
Hope. Do you like Lisa? Oh, okay, Hope.
Uncle. Will he marry me? I don't know what's going on.
Don't you worry, Lisa. On one day he's gonna express his feelings with you. Hello. Who are you? Where do you live?
I've no one child. I live in these caves and leading life with what I get in this forest. Now I feel my health is not good and I'm gonna die soon. Please help me, child.
Okay, I'll take you somewhere, where a girl will be taken care of you. Is that okay with you?
Yes, child. May God bless you.
Uncle. Take care of this granny. Let her be with Lisa as she's alone, which will be helpful for each other. Okay, Max.
Your house is very nice, Lisa. No, Granny. It wasn't mine. This property belongs to Uncle. Do you love Max? Yeah, Granny. I love him a lot, but I don't know about him. How did you do that? Are you a magician? In order to become your soul pure, you've to kill a girl who stays in the north. No. But a little. I've got a suggestion for you. You've to offer prayers to the god of fire. Then your wish will come true, Lisa. Is it? I'm ready to do anything for him, Granny. Okay then. Follow me, child.